Hey, it's Nicole, and for today's nail art look, I decided to do some simple floral nail art. This is all freehand, just a little bit of ombre floral with some art gels and gel polish. So I started off with Lachat's Heartthrob for the bright pink color, as well as Gelay's Innocence for the nude color under the floral. And I did 3 coats of each color. I did the nude on my middle 2 nails, and then the bright pink on the other ones. And once that was all applied, I cured for 30 seconds, and then I'm mixing 2 shades of art gel, so it's pink and white, on a flat brush, and then just kind of brushing out the edges to kind of create an ombre floral look. And you can kind of flip which way the brush is facing to kind of mix up the colors a little bit and just dip back into that little ombre palette as you need. I just did a couple flowers on each nail, just kept it pretty simple, just on the perimeter. And then once that was applied, I cured it, and then I'm taking this green ombre just to create some little leaves on the edges to tie the whole look together, and to just kind of fill in the border. And then I took some of the pink gel just to create dots in the center of the flowers. So super simple today. And then once that was cured, I just took top coat and covered all of my nails in top coat. So very easy and quick kind of abstract floral look that does not need any sort of perfect freehand skills. So I applied that top coat and then I just cured that for 45 seconds, removed the tacky layer, and that's it. So like I said, super quick and easy, and I'll leave links in the description box down below if you'd like to try the products I used. Bye!